Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. It is Jamie here, and I am live with Cocktail Time with Jamie. It is a little bit later today, so hopefully a few extra people will be able to join me. It's a little bit later. Usually I try to do it between 4 and 5. It is 6 o'clock. I know I missed all of last week, so I really didn't want to miss all of this week. I wanted to make sure that I brought you a cocktail almost every day this week to make up for last week. So hope everybody had a good day. And I hope you're having a great week so far. It's Tuesday, Aroma Time is closed tonight, so it's easy for me to do a Facebook Live right now. I see some people joining me, so hopefully I am live and you are catching me live. Hello Sean, hello Ralph. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'm gonna make a popular drink from last winter that everybody absolutely loved, a white Christmas margarita. I'm going to change it up a little bit today and change it up with a little bit of color. I used to use white sugar around the rim. Today I'm going to be using this awesome organic green and red sugar that I found. It's organic. It is sweetened with, it's colored with beet juice and chlorophyll. So I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm super excited about it. I was really excited about finding it. You know, one of my goals going into the year is to add lots of fun garnishes to our cocktails, and this is one of the things that I found, so I'm really excited about that. Let's see, so it is Tuesday, Aroma Time is closed today and tomorrow. Of course, if you would like a gift certificates are available. Just give us a call, we'll open the door for you. You can come in, buy a gift certificate. Gift certificates to Aroma Time make great gifts, and we'd love to provide a great meal for somebody special on your holiday shopping list. And Thursday we reopen. We have lots of holiday parties this weekend. We have lots of cool stuff going on. We're getting prepped and ready to go for Christmas Day. We are doing our soup kitchen this year. We are doing it a little bit differently than 2 years ago, but similar to last year. And obviously times have changed a little bit. We're not going to be doing as many volunteers in-house. We're going to be doing volunteers mostly for driving. So I will send out an email tomorrow with what we are looking for. I know a lot of you love to help volunteer and deliver, and so I can use help with that kind of stuff. And that will go out tomorrow, so look in your emails tomorrow for our Christmas Day Soup Kitchen email, and you can help us volunteer. If you can't volunteer and you'd like to donate, on our website there is a donate button. Any amount dollar helps us just provide more and more meals for people. You know, prices are going up and it does cost a lot of money for us to actually provide meals. So that is Christmas Day. Christmas Eve we are open. We're going to open an hour earlier, 4 to 10 on Christmas Eve. Close Christmas Day, but open as a soup kitchen. New Year's Eve we are open. Our last sitting will be 7:30. And we have lots of cool stuff going on. We are really excited about this month and the upcoming things. So thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Daniel, hello Ralph, hello Hillary. I see lots of people on today. Let's see, Nicole, Lisa, Ralph, Sean. I really appreciate everybody. If you like what you see, if you can give me a thumbs up, the more comments we get, the more likes we get, the more people that will be able to view our emails. I would love for Courtney to start doing some of these Facebook Lives. So hopefully I can get her on board and get her to do some of these Facebook Lives with me or without me. Courtney says hi. Hi, Court. Court is watching me. Hello, Alex. Hello, Albert. Wow, lots of people on today. So thank you, everybody. I really, really appreciate it. This is not on our menu yet. It will probably go on by the weekend. We did this last year. It was super popular. White Christmas margarita. It has coconut milk, tequila, orange curacao, which is our triple sec. It has lime juice and agave in it. So it's basically a margarita, but you add some coconut milk to it. It's really, really good. So I'm excited to bring that to you today. And thank you all for watching me. I really appreciate that. Marcus and I still appreciate everybody's support. We could not have gone through the last 2 years without everybody. It is a really awesome thing to be able to provide really, really good food to you. we're just happy to be here in Ellenville and give you great food and great service, and we're thankful for everybody. So, all right, let me get started. So, I'm going to take my glass and I am going to put lime around the edges, and let's see, hopefully this will work. I'm going to dip it into my sugar. Oh, look how pretty that sugar is. Look at that. It is green and red. It's organic. It's sweetened. It is not sweetened, but it is colored with beet sugar, and where is the, here they are. So they are decorating sugars. So the green has in it spirulina and turmeric to give it its color. And it's called pink, but it was the only red that they had. It's colored with beet extract. So that's really cool. Love these. Super excited about finding them. One of my goals this year is to have more decoration and things on the glass. So let's see. Someone's saying such genuine human beings there, family, employees, genuine. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Hello, Donald. Hello, Ken. I think it is. Hello, Rita. Thank you guys for watching me. All right, so 2 ounces of tequila and about 1 ounce of curacao. And I'd love to give a shout out to Bravo Spirits out of, where are they out of? I always forget. Marcus is really good at this, but I'm not as great as remembering where everyone is. I think it's Washington. Yes, Washington. A shout out to Bravo. If you ever can support them, awesome people there. Love them. We use Pueblo Vieja, which is a woman-owned agave distillery. They distill their agave there and make this 100% agave. They take care of their staff. That's awesome to always know. And then I'm going to add some organic coconut milk. So about a nice spoonful or so, maybe about 1 ounce-ish. You can add as much as you'd like, actually. So we'll add a little bit of coconut to that. I'm gonna add a couple of squirts of lime juice and a drop of agave. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shake that up. I love my margaritas on the rocks. How do you like your margaritas? Hello, Robin. Hello, Heather. Thank you, everybody. Hello, Justin. I'm gonna add, I like my margaritas on the rocks. I kind of feel like this is a really fun margarita glass. Hopefully Courtney approves of it. I kind of find like it's funnish. It's not as white, but it's kind of fun for the holidays. And I'm gonna pour my margarita into the glass. Oh, look at that. So white margarita. Yum, yum, yum. And you know, I'm just gonna be fun and festive, and I'm gonna top it off with a candy cane, an organic candy cane. And let's go ahead and give this a sip and a try. Let's see how it is. I haven't had this all year, so. Oh yeah. The coconut comes out. It's kind of fun. You can make this at home. Really simple, really easy to make actually. I love it. It's fantastic. I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut. You know, the fun part about being at home, making your cocktails, you know, you can make them however you'd like them to be. You want it sweeter, you make it sweeter. Oh my God, yes, looks amazing. Thank you. Hello, Cheryl. Miss everybody. Hello, Talia. Lots of people on today. Like, I don't want to get off because I have a lot of people on, a lot of new names that I haven't seen on in a while, new people. So we miss everybody here at Aroma Time. We'll see everybody soon. We are back open on Thursday. I should be on tomorrow night with a cocktail time. I'd love to bring you something fun. Maybe I'll do something with ginger snaps or something really cool. I don't know. Maybe you have a fun drink that you'd like to see me make, a nice holiday cocktail. But you know, these are nice for the holidays. You can spruce it up. You can make pictures of it, put it out, enjoy it while you're wrapping your presents, all that fun stuff. And that's it. I hope everybody has an awesome night, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Cheers.